Welcome to Learn Arabic. Part of speech in Arabic. Part of speech in Arabic.
أقسام الكلام.
In this video, we are going to learn about parts of speech in Arabic. Learning about parts of speech, or parts of sentence, is the first step to form sentences in Arabic. Part of speech, or words in Arabic, are divided into 1.
الاسم.
Noun. 2.
الفعل.
Verb. 3.
الحرف.
Particle. 1.
الاسم.
Noun. It is a word used as the name of a person. For example,
محمد.
or a thing. For example,
كتاب.
which means book. Or an idea. For example,
نوم.
which means sleep. 2.
الفعل.
Verb. It is a word that describes an action in the past. For example,
ذهب.
which means went. Or in the present. For example,
يذهب.
which means going. Or to give a command. For example,
اذهب.
which means go. 3.
الحرف.
Particle. It is a word that indicates the relationships among words in a sentence, and has no meaning on its own. A particle can be used before a noun. For example,
في.
which means in. Or a verb. For example,
أن.
which means to. Or to express a negative meaning. For example,
لم.
which means did not. Part of speech exercise. In this exercise, you will be shown 3 words and asked to identify what part of speech each word is. Each word has a countdown timer of 3 seconds to answer. Word number 1,
إلى.
which means to.
حرف.
Particle. Word number 2,
جاء.
which means came.
فعل.
Verb. Word number 3,
سيارة.
which means car.
اسم.
Noun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get updates.